With 10 trades to go, the goal remains the same, and the goal is to focus on execution rather than outcome. My edge has been defined. Now it's left for me to allow my edge play out over a number of trades. And whatever the result is, whatever the outcome is, it is what it is. Hi guys, it's your boy Easy here once again, and you already know what time it is. Right now, I've gotten to the halfway point of the 20 trades challenge, or as I like to call it, I'm currently at half time. So this means that I've taken 10 trades out of the 20 trades that I plan to take for this challenge. And out of the 10 trades that I've taken, I've lost 9 trades and I've only won 1 trade. And now on the 5k account that I use for this challenge, or that I am using for this challenge, I'm currently on a drawdown of 5% on the account. So that means that the raise is still on. The 5k account has not been blown yet, despite the fact that I've lost 9 out of 10 trades. And if I'm to just go by that 10 trades, currently I have a win rate of 10%. And even with my win rate of 10%, because I stuck to proper risk management and I have a good risk to reward system, I have still not blown the 5k account. So the challenge is still on. Remember, at the beginning of this challenge, I said I already had it in mind that there's a possibility of me using 2 5k accounts for this challenge, and that was going to happen if there was a case of me having a 10 trade losing streak on the first account, and then having another 10 trade losing streak on the second account, making 20 trades on and on. But so far I've not had a 10 trade losing streak so far, and I've had a win in between. So you know what that means, because whenever I win, I tend to win 5, and whenever I lose, I tend to lose 1. Right now, despite the fact that I've lost 9 trades, I'm still just 5% in drawdown. On this challenge, the highest losing streak I've had so far is a 7 trade losing streak. As a matter of fact, I'm currently still on the 7 trade losing streak, and this means that in my last 7 trades, I've not been able to record a win, and I've been taking losses back to back. But the good thing is that I've still stuck to my plan, which is the goal of this challenge. And at this point, I think it's important for me to remind you of the goal of the challenge. Obviously, everybody is trading to make profit. We are all trading to make money, but the goal of this challenge is not to make money. We are putting money secondary. It's not like we don't want to make money. It's not like I don't want to pass the challenge, but I'm putting that secondary. I want to see if I'm able to execute my edge over a period of 20 trades, or over a number of 20 trades, without deviating from the plan, without allowing my losses or my wins to affect me. Right now, I'm happy that this losing streak happened, and the reason why I'm happy it happened is because it has given me the opportunity to see if I can actually follow my edge. Because it's easy to follow your edge if everything is going well, if everything is going as planned, if you are winning trades left and right. But when you are on a losing streak, a losing streak more than 3 trades, 4 trades, even stretching up to 7 trades, for me, I think that's a positive in my book, according to the objective of this challenge. So I'm not going to come here and tell you that I wasn't tempted to tweak my system. Obviously, there were times where I felt like, or I had the thought of tweaking my system, but remember, it's not about the urges. The urges can come, the voices might come, but it is all about how you handle it and how you control yourself as a trader. You can't really control some of these things. You can't control the market. You can't control some of the thoughts that will go through your mind, but what you can control is your action, how you react to what the market is saying, how you react to whatever result you are getting in the market, whether you are on a losing streak, how you react to the thoughts in your head, how you react to even some comments. You remember, this is a public challenge, how you react to some comments on social media and all of that. But I'm unfazed because the worst that can happen, I had already prepared for it, and the worst that can happen is that I'm going to blow those 2 5k accounts, and I don't mind, because I'm risking what I can afford to lose. Remember, that's one of the things you have to know as a trader. You have to be able to risk what you can afford to lose. I'm not trying to gamble here and I'm not trying to do something stupid, so I'm just sticking to the plan and risking what I can afford to lose. Now, what should you expect in the second half of this challenge? Obviously, it's nothing new because the plan still continues, the challenge still continues, and I'll just be following my plan just as I have done with the first 10 trades, and hopefully the next 10 trade also I'm going to follow my plan and see where that leads me. Let's see if I'm able to come out of the drawdown I'm currently in. Let's see if I'm able to take the account back into profit before the 20 trade timeline elapse. The goal is just to execute my edge and see where that leads me. I adventure you are also doing the challenge. Drop a comment. How is it going so far for you? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, and of course smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in trade 11, and at the end of the challenge I will have a video like this where I will talk about everything that happened during the challenge, what I've learned, what I want to improve on, and so on and so forth. So that will be all for now, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.